Slack is a channel-based messaging platform. And when you pull communication out of inboxes and put it into channels, you make it much easier for people to get their work done. And now, with Slack Connect, we're bringing those same advantages to the work that happens across organizational boundaries. Slack Connect is a foundational set of technologies that enable us to offer a secure communications environment that extends to everyone you work with.
You'll be able to create channels with one organization, two organizations, up to multiple organizations of all the people that you work with. So it'll really change the way that you're able to communicate into a much more productive way of working.
Customers are loving it. For the first time, they're able to put together consortiums, industry groups, or associations together in a channel. And rather than sending email threads across, they can actually collaborate and share information in real time.
We've seen companies bring their partners or their customers into Slack just so that they could have a shared channel across the organizational boundaries, because that way of working together is so much more effective and so much more productive. Slack Connect is the next big step in achieving our mission and transforming business communication.